Would you? What's your snack, bud?
I got here Zotz.
Zotz?
That's what it's called.
Let me see the receipts.
O-T-Z.
Zotz, like thoughts.
Yep.
I'm eating sweet and salty peanut granola bar. Really good. But bite, 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 bite. What if you sneezed like that? Bite. Tonight, I'm just gonna get in my fridge. My grandma sent me off with 2 pork chops. You're fat. Would you ever sign up for a pageant?
Nah, probably not. Because I don't think I can do it.
Hey, my name is Deanna. Bite. I'm 18 years old, and I'm a fucking Libra. And I like to fish with my dad. If you were butt ugly and you had the same charisma, you get 3rd place. Yeah.
You just called me ugly.
I said if you were butt ugly.
Dude, I was looking online, they have this tit cream that makes you, like, apparently it makes your breast grow, like, a cup size or something like that. And it, like, worked on a bunch of people.
So you
But it's, like, $50.
Kids, don't buy into those infomercials.
What's a magic bullet? I don't know what that is.
You're garbage. Yeah, what's the girl's name? The hairstylist, blonde, lesbian. Robin, Christina, Nikita.
I don't know! I don't know her name.
I don't know her name. I don't remember it. If we know it, we would shit our pants right now.
Mm-hmm.
Teresa.
No, you're thinking
Coffee. Her last name's Coffee. Her last name is Coffee.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Coffee?
Yes, I guarantee you. $1 million. Her last name's Coffee. Oh! Tabitha. It's Tabitha Coffee. Tabitha Coffee. There she is. I'm Tabitha Coffee. I'm 46 years old.
How old?
I'm from 46. Okay, say, I'm Tabitha Coffee. Give me your keys. I'm taking Uber.
I'm Tabitha Coffee. Give me your keys. I'm taking over my son. I cannot.
Give me your keys. I'm taking Uber.
Give me your keys. I'm taking Uber.
Okay, scale 1 to 10. How bad you want to quit your job? 1. We'll say it together. On, like, for each of our job. 1, 2, 3. 3. I'm at a 3, and you're at an 8.
I'm at an 8.
What's the lesson of the day, Sierra?
Don't fart too much because you might poop your pants on accident. Though, because that happened to me the other morning. I was pooping, and then it worked.
Thanks, everyone. And always remember, Sierra, what should they always remember? Always getting a breath of fresh air when you turn on the AC. We'll see ya.